Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to talk about generative AI with Vertex AI. How we can get started. So what are the steps we'll use here and how generative AI can be used with the Vertex AI. So let me go through the overview. So the Palm 2 is Google next generation largest or large language model, but built on the Google's legacy of the breakthrough research in the machine learning and responsible AI. So Palm 2 excel at the task like the advanced reasoning and translation and the code generation because of how it was built. So Generative AI Studio and it Vertex AI Palm API is powered by Palm 2. So in this lab, you will learn how to get started with Generative AI Studio and the Vertex AI Palm API. So this is all about in this lab overview and what you will learn. So you'll explore the language offering and prompt gallery and creating the different type of new prompt and getting response in the UI and how to use Vertex AI, Palm API and Python SDK. So that the background of large language model and the Palm API, text generation example, exploring the various model parameter involved in text generation, chart model and examples, embedding the model examples. So these are the tasks which we can learn from this lab. So what we can do here now, go to the let me go to open the Vertex AI. So how we'll go ahead and open that Vertex AI. So here the click on navigation menu. As soon as you click on navigation menu, come to the products and solution, then click on all products. So as soon as you click on all products, you come back to the artificial intelligence section. Then here is, you can say the Vertex AI is here. Just navigate to that particular page, and here what we'll do here just click on workbench. So as soon as you click on workbench, so the option which you will select, user managed notebooks, click on user managed notebooks. So which is already created for us this notebook. Just open the Jupyter lab. As soon as you open the Jupyter lab, so what you will have to do here, this is opening, yeah. So just in left hand side you can see the generative AI. Just click on generative AI folder and then click on language. Here just click on get started. So this is one overview. Just right click and open with the markdown preview. So generative AI, one of the Vertex AI generative AI studio user interface. So as soon as you click on overview, then this would be like this. Then you click on language, this open the language, then you get started with the different design and text your own prompt, start a conversion or tune a model. There is three way. So you can use the generative AI use case generally, right? So say most important thing is keep in mind or ensure that how design and test your own prompt, how start a conversion and tune a model. So it's a better equipment for your use case. The dependency to a equipment to get prediction or test in the prompt design. Or if I'll talk about the start conversion, so the free from chat with the model which track and what was the previously said and the respond based on the context. And if I'll talk about design and text your own prompt, like design prompt for task relevant to your business use case, including the code generation. So these are the use case, the prompt example like chat, summarization. So chart, the options also you can see here, the summarization of summarization things you can see here. then language. So get started language. So same thing like in the language prompt, the prompt is an input text that is used to guide the model output. So and then on the right hand side you can see uh, choose or choice of model to provide a response to your prompt, creative allowance for the model in generating the response, design length of the response, the number of most probable token to consider as the next token, uh, threshold probability for a token to be selected as the next token. A token is descriptive unit of data that represent a word, pronunciation, a mark, number or other symbols. So this is the like a prompt design, like zero prompt, zero short prompting, one short prompting, few short prompting, free prompt structure, all this kind of model. Prompt. So free from mode, this how it, right? So then I'll go for the other one like structured mode, right? So then on the Vertex AI, like all these are the options like in the language model. So here you can test out like language, then my sentiment analysis, right? How you can create, right? So your prompt will be saved in the prompt gallery under my prompt. Then your sentiment analysis as for your requirement, you will design or customized it. Then you click on my prompts, then my sentiment analysis will create based on the customized one. And then get started, my prompt, tuning, preview, all this, text, if you text prompt, text chart, create tuning model, all are the options which is available for the generative AI. So this is the preview, but let me quickly go to the introduction. Let me click over here. Here is a piece of Python code and what action need to be taken, like getting started with Vertex AI, PAM API and Python SDK, and what is PAM, Vertex AI PAM API, all these, like get started, install the Vertex AI SDK, first steps. And then second step, like authenticate your notebook environment, then the Vertex AI PAM API model. So then import the library, then I'll load the model, then hello PAM, try your own prompt, and then these are the prompt template, the model parameter and text. These are the things which you can use in use case of the generative AI. So in the chart model, as you can see, and then advanced chart model with the SDK, and embedding the model with the test embedding. So all these code is available. Then code generation with code vision. So and the load model, so model parameter, and try out your own prompt, code compilation with code. So code chart with code chart. So all these are the prompt. So this is the use case of the generative AI. So let me run all in one go. So what we'll do, click on run, then run select cell and all below. So the desired output, the execute one by one. As you can see, execution started. So all execute, then the outcome will be, you can see. So the execution already happened, and the cell executed. So now let me quickly go back to the other one. So as part of this lab, there's the prompt. We need to the intro prompt design. So the prompt design, the task, so initially what we have to do, install the Vertex AI SDK, then authenticating your notebook environment, import library, load model, prompt engineering, the best practice. So something like be conscious and be specific and well defined. ask one task at a time. This is the prompt. And watch out of the so these are the turn generative tasks into the classification tasks to reduce the output variability. And generative tasks lead to higher output variability. So improve response quality by including example, zero short prompt, one short prompt, few short prompt. So all are how we can execute and see the output. So what we'll do, just click on run and run, select cell all below, then we'll see the output. So all executed, right? So let me go to the lab, whether my lab instruction task is completed or not. Let me check. And no, there is some issue, so now let me fix. So here is the concern. Okay, let me click on selected all cell and below. Yeah, so earlier it was not working, right? So now it's working. And then the execution is going on, you can see one by one, and the prompt is display. This is the prompt engineering, right? Ask the question, get the output, 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 ask the question, get the output. So this is the prompt engineering is expected. It's worked perfectly now. So now let me check, it should work now. Yes, done. Let me click for everyone. Everything is be specific and well designed. Ask one task at a time. Watch out for okay, so all done now. This task is open the intro notebook that I have already explained. Open the intro PAM API notebook, that also completed successfully. Okay, all done. So now yeah, so what I learned here, so let me tell you. So in this video we learn the prompt engineering, how generative AI and how generative AI the use case, and how we are helping with the Vertex AI, how Vertex AI helping to implemented the generative AI along with the use case. I explain the step by step. So I hope this video will be helpful, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like this related to generative AI, Duet AI, Google Cloud, and Google Workspace. So these are the useful video you can, and the hands-on along with the hands-on demo. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.